When the bark doesn't match the bite or the height. Boss level unlocked, now please close the door.
Alright everybody, so Sassy has literally learned from the dogs. Wait, Yarko, move it. No, Yarko, that's hers. Yarko, oh no, it's all over Sassy's face. Oh, God.
Get gone. Sit your ass. Kiddo, I'm folding. Bro, get out of here.
The room goes quiet and you realize everyone is looking at you to explain where the last treat went. Moment when your past life as a chaotic god of destruction flashes before your eyes, but you
C'est dans
You're trying to carry your team in the lobby, but your boss shows up for a surprise performance review. I guess I am taking my lunch break now. You've got zero traction but 100% determination. He really tried to Tokyo drift on a rug and learned that physics always... The new neighbor is a bit intimidating, but you heard he has a great dental plan and a soft spot for head scratches.
I put there? Oh, buddy! It's just a rug. See? Scout knows.
You're trying to act cool and leave the party, but realize you forgot your keys and have to awkwardly walk back past everyone.
He's trying his hardest. Get in there!
Exact moment his patience ran out and his single brain cell decided to clock out for the day.
Tienen un botón por aquí, por aquí. Uno le hace así y ya se levanta.
You're trying to stay mad, but then you hear someone open a bag of chips in the other room. You're trying to have a dramatic nap, but the kitten thinks your ear is a chew toy. Requesting a refund on this pillow. You try to start drama, but your opponent is literally too graceful to care. That swan really hit him with the silent treatment. Physical damage 0, emotional... Said we were going to the park, not the pool, but he clearly did not care for the fine print. At this point, the leash is just a suggestion and he is the captain of this ship now. He did not even wait for the boarding call. want to be a romantic, but you are also a tiny bird who does not want to get wet. You forget to pay your protection money to the local MUFIA.
He doesn't like the balloons when they're up.
You try to surprise the dog but realize halfway through that you have made a massive tactical error and now... The moment you realize your bravery has an expiration date and it's exactly 3 seconds long. Forget that you are a majestic creature of the night and accidentally glitch into a marshmallow.
Yeah, there you go. There you go, and case.
I'll help her.
You're a little hoarse, but the main character energy is huge. Just a mini diva living her best life on a pool floatai because some of us were born to be pampered and others were born to walk. Nay slay.
Yes, you don't have it yet. So,
What? You hear a bag of chips open from 3 rooms away and your entire soul enters active tracking mode. You realize the cat in the room is actually a painting, but it is still judging your life choices more than your actual pet ever could. You ask for a front-load washer but accidentally install the cat spin cycle. Looking at me like it's my fault, he turned into a literal blur. If he starts meowing in 1200...
Hey.
You are 5 minutes into an argument and realize you are completely... Spent my whole life training for the day a UPS driver would finally try to hand off a package to me. He looked confused, but I knew exactly what to do. I ran. Not because I was scared, but because I realized I have no thumbs and no way to sign for this delivery.
There's a raccoon here.
Stay humble. You decide to wake up your sibling for a snack but realize they have chosen violence instead. When I see a bowl of free samples and realize the staff isn't looking.
Where is that mouse? Where'd that mouse go? Oh, he turned it on.
Your 90 fluff and 10 rechargeable battery, this is how you hit full capacity. It's not a radiator, it's a giant orange wireless charger. I'm not lazy, I'm just thermal processing. If I melt... You're late for work, but the local poultry convention decides to take over the interstate. I guess we are all just winging it today. You're Roommate finally realizes that the laundry isn't going to wash itself, but they have no idea what they are doing. Looks like he is about to perform surgery but has zero medical training and even... You're trying to start a fight but your legs are only 3 inches long and the opponent is on the high ground. Level 1 boss fight vibes.
Gato. Tu paipilla de gato. ¿Ya? ¿Y le va a poner todos los ingredientes a esa sopaipilla?
You have zero social skills but you're trying to act natural at the office party. You forget to pay the rent and see the landlord coming down the hall.
Could do, it could sway jury. It could make the jury think differently about you.
Milo, let go. Milo. Milo. Milo, let go.
Okay, are you all done? Okay.
A lot of questions for the foreman of this construction site, but the main one is how she expects to get any sleep with the landlord constantly leaving the porch light on. I held his hands and he immediately tried to file a complaint with the labor board. You're trying to act like a distinguished gentleman, but your single brain cell decides it's time to practice karate.
Max.
You're trying to stay professional during a meeting, but that first sneeze of allergy season finally hit.
Pas, c'est ce que je pense. Isis, tu fais quoi, s'il te plaît? Qu'est-ce que tu fais, Isis? Non, 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 je veux pas y croire.
You are having a serious board meeting, but none of you actually know how the internet works.
No.
HelloFresh box arrives, but you already have plenty of snacks at home. You're trying to have a nice family photo, but the toddler